Hi everyone. OPI challenged us to pick one of their location-based collections, and I picked the 2007 Australia collection. As you can see, this collection is a beautiful combination of earthy tones, terracottas, reds, and nudes. It's almost eerie that there's so many bushfires right now and the collection is all these beautiful red tones. I've been really tuned into what's going on there, and it's extremely sad. All the beautiful animals that have been losing their lives and just suffering, the people losing their homes, the beautiful landscapes, and the one-of-a-kind natural wonders that cannot be replaced or rebuilt. So I decided to do the Flora and Fauna of Australia as my iconic location. So I used some alcohol inks to create a water marbly looking background for my ocean nails. I wanted to create a Great Barrier Reef scene. Then I used some alpine snow gel polish from OPI to start sculpting some coral out, and I basically cured it with my flashlight, used their chrome effects no wipe top coat, and then sprinkled some dip powder into the wet top coat and cured after. This gave me a really nice sugary powdery effect. Next, I used some absolute clear and I started to sculpt some animals. This is a stingray, a bull stingray, and they're known for their large size. They're native to Australia, and there's only believed to be about 2,000 left in the world as of today. And every year the numbers dwindle from poachers and just slight changes in climate. I used some alcohol inks and gel polish to color the stingray in, and then I kind of watered it down a little bit with some acetone to give it a really nice texture like they have in nature. The bushfires are an awful tragedy, and it's extremely sad to see billions of animals be killed in such an awful way. And I know it's kind of graphic, but I just wanted to kind of spread awareness also. It's super sad, and in any way we can help, please do. I'm going to put a link below for a local charity that helps with a lot of the animals that are in shelters and that have been injured. And let's hope that Steve Irwin's up there taking care of all of the babies that didn't make it. I'm sculpting a koala bear out of clear absolute acrylic, and I wanted to do a small one and a larger one. So I basically got my shape down, and then I started to use gel paint from OPI gel color to shade in the koala, and I did the same kind of technique to do a kangaroo as well. Kangaroo Island has lost over half its population of koala bears just from these bushfires alone, and over a third of the island has burned to the ground. Eucalyptus is the most popular type of tree that marsupials eat, and unfortunately it's also one of the most flammable. I'm making a eucalyptus leaf right now, and I'm going to attach it to my vines with some no wipe top coat and my flashlight. Next, I started working on an acrylic heart, and I basically painted it with gel color to resemble the Australian flag, just to kind of show homage and to show some love. And then I did the continent of Australia as well, and then I wanted to symbolize how much of Australia actually was being taken over by bushfires. So there's actually red crystal pixie in the areas where there have been bushfires recently, which is pretty much the whole continent. And I hope that you enjoyed my project, and the Flora and Fauna of Australia is truly one of a kind. It's something that cannot be replaced, and I hope that, you know, everything keeps flourishing and nature doesn't damage it too badly. If you guys can help out, I'm going to put a link below for a charity that helps the injured animals. Thank you so much, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye!